Imagine being told the average SUV demands nearly $10,000 in annual maintenance. Sounds absurd, right? Let's dismantle that myth. The truth is, not all SUVs are cash sinks. Certain models consistently clock 400,000, even 500,000 miles, requiring little more than standard oil changes, filters, and mindful upkeep. In this video, I'll reveal 9 exceptionally reliable SUVs designed to safeguard your finances from excessive repairs, high insurance costs, and steep depreciation. Furthermore, I'll explain precisely when an extended warranty is a wise investment and when it's simply a waste of money. Make sure you stay until the end for our top pick and the critical bonus section where I expose 2 popular SUVs that can financially ruin you faster than a market crash. Ready to make a purchase that truly lasts? Let's dive in. At number 9, we introduce the Subaru Outback. This is essentially the pioneer of the modern crossover. Back in the 90s, when station wagons were dull, Subaru injected life by adding rugged exterior trim, standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, instantly giving families a vehicle that conquered snow, muddy paths, and daily commutes effortlessly. Here's the remarkable point. Most Outbacks easily surpass 200,000 miles, relying only on their scheduled oil and brake services. I've witnessed firsthand these vehicles reaching 300,000 miles when owners are diligent with maintenance. This longevity is why auto mechanics grudgingly admit they rarely see these cars in their base for major work. Insurance providers also favor them thanks to their IHSS Top Safety Pick Plus rating. A safer vehicle translates to a lower monthly premium, meaning you save money not just on unexpected repairs, but every month on coverage. Granted, the base 2.5-liter boxer engine won't win any races. However, opting for the available 2.4-liter turbo delivers a healthy 260 horsepower without compromising the engine's famed reliability. But the biggest advantage is financial. While many competitors charge extra for all-wheel drive, Subaru includes it as standard. This fundamental stability translates to reduced component stress and fewer expensive surprises later. For the savviest buyers, the 2020 model year offers the perfect balance of modern technology, advanced safety features, and ironclad dependability at a used price that protects your long-term savings. Sliding into number 8 is the Toyota RAV4. It's America's top-selling SUV, and that popularity is no accident. Toyota perfected the formula: user-friendly driving dynamics, an ultra-durable chassis, and an engine engineered for extreme endurance. What consistently impresses me is that older RAV4s frequently exceed 300,000 miles without requiring a single major drivetrain overhaul. I regularly see 2010 models operating flawlessly on their original parts. Because of Toyota's reputation for lasting quality, the RAV4's resale value is phenomenal. In fact, used models often fetch prices nearly equal to a brand new rival from manufacturers like Honda or Ford. This level of depreciation protection is practically unheard of in the SUV market. While the newer RAV4s, with their 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, might not offer exhilarating performance, the high resale value and bulletproof reliability mean your bank account always comes out ahead. The key financial takeaway is this: purchasing a Toyota RAV4 is not just about owning a dependable vehicle, it's about building equity. Unlike cars that plummet in value the moment they leave the dealership, the RAV4 functions more like a certificate of deposit. You can cash it out years later and still receive an exceptional return on your investment. At number 7, we feature the Acura RDX, arguably the most underestimated luxury SUV on the market. For shrewd buyers like us, this is a distinct advantage. While others pursue flashy BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes, the RDX quietly offers an equivalent luxury experience for half the cost and none of the maintenance headaches. Here is the key to its success. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX utilized the same powertrain as the legendary Honda Pilot. This means you benefit from a virtually indestructible 3.5-liter V6 and Honda's tested 6-speed automatic transmission, all wrapped in a premium cabin with leather trim, superior noise cancellation, and high-end technology.
It's essentially a mechanically robust Honda Pilot dressed in a tuxedo. Here's a fascinating financial twist. While German luxury vehicles instantly lose significant value, the RDX maintains its worth surprisingly well. A used 2013 Acura RDX can often be purchased for less than a used Toyota RAV4, yet you gain superior space, more features, and genuine luxury comfort for the price of an economy SUV. This is a depreciation strategy most car shoppers miss. In terms of durability, many RDX owners report reaching 150,000 miles with only routine servicing. Try achieving that with a BMW X3 without incurring a $5,000 transmission repair. Depending on your insurer, you might actually pay less than you would for a common vehicle like a Ford Escape or Chevy Equinox. Imagine that, luxury appointments with the operating costs of a mass-market car.
Coming in strong at number 6 is the Hyundai Santa Fe, a name that might raise eyebrows. A decade ago, Hyundai wasn't synonymous with durability, but the Santa Fe has completely changed that narrative. Its secret weapon? Unmatched warranty coverage. Like its sibling Kia, Hyundai supports this SUV with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. In plain English, even if a major component fails, you are not responsible for the massive repair bill. For older buyers or anyone prioritizing peace of mind, this is effectively an extended warranty included with the purchase price. And this isn't merely marketing hype. Real-world Santa Fe owners are smoothly driving past 200,000 miles with minimal attention beyond fluids, brakes, and tires. Fuel efficiency is respectable. Resale value continues to climb, and insurance rates are generally lower than competitors like Jeep or VW. If you seek an SUV that combines affordability with rock-solid dependability, the Santa Fe is an exceptionally smart acquisition. At number 5, we have the Lexus LX, the equivalent of an armored tank in the luxury SUV segment. Beneath the lavish leather and chrome badge, it is fundamentally a Toyota Land Cruiser, a model globally famous for traversing terrain other SUVs can only dream of and outlasting the terms of most mortgages. These vehicles are legendary for achieving 400,000 to 500,000 miles. In harsh environments like parts of Africa and the Middle East, some have accumulated over 1 million miles. The LX simply takes that indestructible platform and surrounds it with opulent comfort. Yes, it consumes fuel heartily. Expect maybe 15 to 17 miles per gallon. But the reward is reliability that makes its German rivals seem flimsy. While a Mercedes G-Wagon can hit you with $2,500 service invoices, the LX continues running on routine fluid and filter changes. And here's the stunning part. Depreciation is practically negligible. If you demand the ultimate trifecta of luxury, longevity, and resale value, the LX is as reliable as a vehicle gets. A brief break here. If you are finding this countdown helpful, please hit that like button now. It greatly supports the channel, and trust me, the next SUV will completely change your perception of Japanese engineering. You will be astonished by its lifespan. Cracking into the top 4 is the Mazda CX-5. This is proof that you don't have to choose between stylish design and robust reliability. Most compact SUVs feel utilitarian, but the CX-5 actually drives like a vehicle you want to pilot. It offers responsive handling, attractive, sporty aesthetics, and yet is tough enough to exceed 200,000 miles with appropriate maintenance. Here is a major mechanical advantage. Unlike many competitors, the CX-5 avoids using a continuous variable transmission. Instead, it uses a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission that is both smoother and substantially more reliable. This alone can save you thousands in potential repair costs down the line. RepairPal gives the CX-5 an outstanding 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, a score confirmed by actual owners. While the interior space is slightly smaller than a RAV4 or CR-V, you are trading size for a more premium cabin feel and a superior driving experience. Financially, it's also a smart decision. Resale values remain strong, and the average annual maintenance expenditure is lower than most competing vehicles in its class.
At number 3, we have the Subaru Forester, a compact SUV that is essentially bulletproof. Consumer Reports awarded it an incredible 98 out of 100 reliability score, a near-perfect result in the automotive industry. Let's address the persistent concern: Subaru's CVT transmissions. A decade ago, there were problems, but here is the critical fact. Subaru resolved the design issues. As long as you follow the schedule and change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, you will avoid the notorious failures and keep this SUV running smoothly for many years. Owners routinely push their Foresters far beyond 200,000 miles, and because the brand inspires such exceptional customer loyalty, resale values are exceptional. This means when you decide to upgrade, you'll recover more of your initial investment compared to rivals from Nissan or Ford. Factor in standard all-wheel drive, top-tier safety certifications, and fuel economy that surpasses many mid-size competitors, and you have one of the smartest buys in the entire SUV segment.
At number 2, we featured the Honda CR-V. This is the SUV that finally dethroned the Toyota RAV4. For years, these two models battled fiercely. However, the latest CR-V delivers superior ride quality, better standard safety technology, and even better fuel efficiency, peaking at an impressive 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the astonishing part. Some second-generation CR-Vs from the early 2000s are now approaching 500,000 miles. That's 500,000 miles of daily commuting, family vacations, and errands without ever needing a major engine or transmission rebuild. Few vehicles on the road can match that kind of sustained endurance. Insurance companies also highly favor the CR-V because of its IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, guaranteeing you lower monthly payments compared to riskier options like the Jeep Cherokee or Ford Escape. And regarding resale, Honda's stellar reputation for durability ensures its values remain high, so you won't suffer a financial loss when it's time to sell. The conclusion is simple. The CR-V proves that practicality doesn't have to mean boring. It is safe, highly efficient, and engineered to last for decades.
At number 1, we present the Honda HR-V. This is the CR-V's smaller sibling that is just as tough. Don't be deceived by its compact dimensions. The HR-V is one of the most durable small SUVs available, supported by Honda's legendary engineering. Owners commonly report hitting 150,000 to 200,000 miles with virtually no major mechanical problems. And because it's smaller than the CR-V, you gain even better fuel economy, up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, while retaining Honda's top safety credentials. Insurance carriers love this SUV too. The HR-V's low cost for accident repairs keeps premiums down, establishing it as one of the most budget-friendly SUVs for long-term ownership. Sure, it lacks the raw power of larger SUVs, but for city driving, light travel, and reliable longevity, the HR-V is unmatched. And just like its larger CR-V counterpart, it maintains its resale value exceptionally well. You won't stress over depreciation when you're ready to trade it in. We have covered the SUVs you can buy with confidence, but now it is time for the reverse perspective. There are two models you absolutely should avoid, and both might catch you off guard. The bonus warning: you should unequivocally avoid the Jeep Wrangler. I understand it's one of the most iconic SUVs ever created, but sales numbers do not equate to reliability. In reality, recent Wranglers have been plagued by issues that make them a money pit rather than a fun weekend vehicle. Owners consistently report non-stop electrical failures, fluid leaks, suspension problems, and infamously, the death wobble, where the entire vehicle violently shakes after hitting a minor road imperfection. This is not the confidence you want in an off-road vehicle. And it gets worse. The Wrangler has performed poorly in safety tests, receiving marginal IIHS ratings that bring its safety into serious question. Insurance companies are fully aware of this, which is why your premiums are often astronomical compared to more dependable SUVs. So unless your hobby is spending weekends fixing your car instead of driving it, the Wrangler is one SUV you should pass on at the dealership.
Another SUV to steer clear of is the Ford Explorer, specifically models from the 2010s era. On paper, it appeared to be the perfect family vehicle, spacious, stylish, and loaded with features. But mechanically, things quickly deteriorated. The critical flaw? Transmission failures. Owners reported harsh shifts, hesitation, and complete breakdowns well before reaching 100,000 miles. These repairs routinely cost $3,000 or more, and even replacement transmissions weren't a guaranteed permanent fix. Factor in ongoing problems with water pump leaks, electrical glitches, and frequent recalls, and the Explorer quickly became a massive headache. Insurance companies also took note. High claim rates and inconsistent crash test scores pushed premiums up, making it one of the most expensive midsize SUVs to maintain. While the Explorer name has a deep history, the current reality is disappointing. Purchase the wrong model year and you will spend more time waiting at the service center than enjoying the drive. Stick with the reliable SUVs we've listed, because this one can empty your bank account faster than you can utter extended warranty. The final investment. So here is the absolute bottom line. The smartest SUV to own is not the one with the lowest price tag, nor is it the one with the most prestigious badge. It is the vehicle that avoids the repair shop, provides security with top safety ratings, minimizes insurance expenses, and retains its monetary value 10 or even 20 years later. That is why the true winners on this list are not defined by horsepower or aesthetic flair. They're defined by peace of mind and long-term financial stability. Consider this reality. A reliable SUV can potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars throughout its operational life. Reduced repair bills, less frequent mechanic visits, cheaper insurance rates, and stronger resale value all accumulate into significant savings. Conversely, an undependable SUV doesn't just drain your bank account, it exhausts your time, your patience, and erodes your confidence every single time you start the engine. And here is a benefit that most consumers overlook. The capital you save by choosing one of these durable SUVs could easily cover the down payment or even the entire purchase price of your next vehicle years down the road. In essence, driving the correct SUV today is a smart financial investment in your future. It provides returns year after year, mile after mile. Furthermore, owning a vehicle you genuinely trust transforms your quality of life. Instead of constantly worrying about whether your car will start or if your insurance bill will soar after another breakdown, you gain freedom. The freedom to take that unexpected family road trip without anxiety. The freedom to drive comfortably into retirement without questioning your car's lifespan. That is the definition of true peace of mind. So I pose this question to you. Which SUV on this list would you stake your money on to keep for the next 10, maybe even 20 years? Share your choice in the comments below. I'm eager to read your opinions. And make sure to subscribe for more expert car advice, the kind that saves you money, protects your investment, and helps you shop smarter, so you're never caught off guard by a surprise repair bill again.